Okay, so hello to part 19, I think. Today we're gonna be going over, what was it called? Raycasts. So, raycasts, they're pretty much just a laser that shoots from one point to another, and you can get the information from that laser, like what it has hit. So that's the main purpose, to just shoot a laser and see if it hits anything. So, let's get started. I'm gonna make like I'm just gonna make a laser for the simplicity of it. So just make a laser. Anchors. There we go. Copy the exact path. Call it the. I'm just gonna call it emit, and the size. I'm just gonna make it smaller. So I'm gonna make it like 0.25 by 0.25. There we go. Move it out a little bit, and let's make it really red, and let's just make this black. Okay, is both anchors. This is anchored, these two. Let's group them together and rename them laser. So we got our laser. Actually, we can make this a little bit more fancy by making this neon. Wherever it is, there it is, and this we can make it. What are lasers made of? Just make like smooth plastic. Let's do the smooth plastic. Okay, looks like a laser, kinda. So let's make a script inside the laser. So script. Okay, so we wanna. Okay, so let me think real quick. Okay, so we want to make a variable for the array so we can get the information from that variable. So local array. Okay, so I have to change my keyboard. I don't know why the y was a z. So local array equals array dot new. So we're creating our array, and then you need two parameters: where it starts, so point A, and where it ends, so point B. So we're gonna do script.parent.emit. Oops. Script. Okay. And dot position. And then where it ends. So need to. What axis is it? It's the. Let me real quickly get this. So I'm just gonna get the axis at which it moves. So it's the first one, and so the x value, and then vector3 dot new. I'll make it like 100 starts 0 0. So we're making a array. It starts at the emit position and fires out 100 starts this way, so to the right. And yeah, that's basically what we're doing here, and then we're assigning it to this value right here. So now we can also do, so we have the array done, so let's make it detect the part name. So we need to put it in a loop, because if we just detect the collision once, it's gonna run once and that's it. So let's do a simple while true, actually task.wait. So like 0.1 seconds. Do. Okay, so local hit comma position. So I'm pretty sure I didn't teach you this, but I'll just type it out and explain it to you. Game dot workspace find art. I'm not sure why this is crossed out with ignore list. So we need to put in the array, and the second parameter is a table. So the parts that you want to ignore. So for me, it's gonna be script.parent.emit and script.parent.part. it's gonna ignore these parts. Okay, so let me explain it. So this everything that I'm highlighting right now returns two values, a hit value and a vector3 value, aka the body position. So it finds a part that it hit from the array on the workspace, and it ignores the items that are in this table. So it basically just finds what it hit and ignores some items at the same time. So if not hit, then return. And so if it didn't hit anything, it's just gonna return and cancel this. Actually, I forgot to tell you, I found out that you shouldn't use return to a loop. You should use continue. This basically just skips to the end, and pretty much the same thing as return. It's just less glitchy, because one time return just stopped working for me. Someone told me this, I don't remember his name. And print laser hit. I'm just gonna do a plus hit dot name. Was it the bigger N? Let's just see what happens. No errors, please. There we go. So let's go to the server view, spawn in a part. Okay. I gotta anchor it really quick. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna rotate it this way. Okay, so if I move it up, oh, it has to get in the front. Attempt to perform. Okay, so it turns out I'm an idiot, and I forgot you add strings with 2 dots. So as you can see, it works now. Laser collided with, well, I'm not sure why it says my name there. Let me see real quick. Okay, well, yeah, as you can see, it works now. Again, laser collided with workspace. Oh god, yeah, that's because it did hit dot parent. It just hit dot name. Oh god, I can't believe I used 2 dots. I mean, I used a plus. Okay, so as you can see, the handle, right upper leg, left foot. So some parts are invisible on my body, like handle. And as you can see, part, it collided with part. Okay, so that's everything about raycasts. Not everything, but the main reason to use them. So yeah, bye.